Tammy's got a channel on YouTube, she shines. The Fake Bake Diaries, crafting in her own sweet time. She'll show you how to make fake ice cream that glows, giant gumdrops and cotton candy, whimsical treats she knows. Grab your scissors, get your glue. The crafting's just begun with a sprinkle of imagination.
This is the lollipop twist. You can make them in any color you want. They are quite simple to make. You can make them bigger, smaller, use them as embellishments, hang them from your tree. These are one of those basic fake bake pieces that you need to have in your repertoire. So let's go make some.
Crafting with a twist, Fake Bake Diaries.
You're going to need some Model Magic. You can also use foam clay, skewers, heavy duty 12-inch, and those I found at the dollar store. I'll be using some Mod Podge at the end, and also a little bit of tacky glue. I'm going to take out my white Model Magic. I always wrap it back up in the package that comes from Model Magic, as well as in a Ziploc bag to keep it from air drying. First thing we need to do is condition it. Now, the Model Magic takes longer to condition than foam clay, but it does give a different texture if it's finished.
She woke up early, kids still asleep,
I'm going to roll it into a ball.
dreaming of a place where she can just be.
Use the heel of your hand.
Has been calling out, but she needs a break. One single day for her sanity's sake.
And that's what we want. So I want to start with my next color. So in these, I have the white, which is here. I also have a custom color pink that I make, and I also have a custom aqua color. When it comes to pastel colors, I mix my white clay with my paint color that I've made. This is my yellow. I've made this well ahead of time. I'm going to put this one upside, and again, condition my yellow.
Glitter and glue, need a little silence. What else can she do? She loves them dearly, but her mind's in a spin. Crafting self-care, time for her to begin. Lock me in that craft room, just for a day. Fake Bake Diaries gonna take me away. Take me away. Paper and scissors, glitter and glue, need a little silence. What else can she do? She loves them dearly, but her mind's in a spin. Crafting self,
Now you have one yellow piece on here.
self-care, time for her to begin. Lock me in my craft room, just for a day. Fake Bake Diaries gonna take me away. Ooh, take me away.
When I put this one on next, I'm adding it on opposite to the yellow. My yellow is thicker than my aqua color. My yellow lines on here will be a little thicker than my aqua color.
Now here's today's crafting question. Do you like to craft with a buddy, or do you prefer to craft alone? Leave your answers in the comments below, and I can't wait to read your responses.
My last color that I'm going to use is pink.
I swore no more glue, no more strings. I said I'm done with tiny things. Said no more buttons, no more beats. But then there's glitter in the breeze. Look at Tammy on the screen. Fake bake dreams, how they gleam. Silly me, I had to laugh. Crafting is my better half. Can't stop crafting, no way. Every time
I'm just going to roll it so that it evens out a bit.
crafting every single day. Scissors, paper in my hands. Swear it's up, but here I am. Ribbons calling, take a strand. Crafting dreams so grand.
This is what you end up with. Now I'm going to slowly twist it. And you can already see how it's all coming together. I'm going to twist, keep twisting, and give it a roll. Twist and give it a roll.
Just one more step, one more piece. Creativity unleashed. In the night, in the day, crafting always finds its way. Walking down the street, eyes on the prize.
And also twist in opposite directions.
In a vintage disguise, gonna upcycle tonight. Turn old into bright. Thrift store finds fake bakes from the mind. Racks of old clothes, books and old clocks, dusted off.
Now I'm going to make it a little bit thinner. I just want to roll it out a bit.
Turn old into bright. Thrift store finds fake bakes from the mind.
You can make them different ways. This one is almost the same thickness all the way up. This one here, I made this thinner and gradually got bigger all the way up. Just gonna twist.
Just like new, making art with love, rise above. Polaroid frame.
So I cut the end off by my bamboo skewers and my tacky glue. When you start at the bottom, cut it as slant to start off with. Just an angle. That gives you a bit of a point. If you look here, I usually start by taking a bit of the end off because I don't need a full stick to do this. Break off the end. Start putting tacky glue all on here. Start it off a little bit at an angle. And you just start wrapping around.
Polaroid frames, vinyl records spin, crafting joy and a playful grin from the mind. From the mind. From the mind. From the mind.
Twisting my clay in my hand as I roll it with my other hand.
Wake up in the morning light, got $1 in my hand. I'm heading to the store so bright.
And once you get to the top of your stick, I usually go just up one at the top and cut it at an angle. And then I take my end and I tuck it in. If you can see, I just tuck that right in and make sure that's filled up. Right? And look at that. With the Model Magic, you can get tiny little cracks in it. So I'm making sure it's pushed together. And then I take a little bit of Mod Podge and go over it just to help it not crack. It seems to work quite well.
Book chat, we're creating pure delights.
Sure that I get into all the crevices up top. And then you will end up with absolutely lovely lollipops.
Thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification button so that you can find out when the next video is released. Thanks again. See you soon.
Oh, it makes you